Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the Custom Columns section. This section allows you to create up to 4 columns, each with its own icon, image, heading, and text. It's a versatile layout tool that helps organize your content, making your page more visually appealing and easier to read. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Custom Columns section, begin by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the Custom Columns section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings and open Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the Custom Columns section. To add it, click Add Section. Search for Custom Columns and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the Custom Columns section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, and both. Use container size to control how wide the Custom Columns section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. Match the Custom Columns section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can add a block inside the Custom Columns section, then select the Columns block to begin. Next, you can add a block again inside the Columns block and select the Multiple block to add individual column content. And that's it. Your Custom Columns section is now set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.